Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to set up your trading game, then this video is going to be a game changer. All right, we are just going to walk you through how to use the MT5, the MetaTrader 5. Okay, it's one of the most powerful trading platforms out there. Whether you are just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial will teach you everything you need to know to master the MT5. Now, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you become a better trader. Now, let's just quickly dive right in. First things first, let us get MT5 installed and set up. Now, as you can see, I already have the MT5 installed, okay, but I'm just going to be guiding you through on how to do that. Okay, so first of all, you will need to go to your browser, right? You need to go to your browser and you would have to install the MT5. You have to download the MT5 setup. Okay, so you have to download the MT5 from the official website. Okay, you can just search for, on your browser, you can just search for MT5 download. All right, you can just search MT5 download and then you look for the MetaTrader5.com website, MetaTrader5.com. All right, so you can see here you can download for Windows or download for Mac or for Linux. All right, so you download depending on your device, right? So once you have downloaded it, then you install it immediately. Okay, once you install it immediately, then the next thing for you to do, of course, is to log in. Right, you log into your trade account. If you already have an account, just log in. If you do not have an account, you can just create one right there on the MT5. You can create one. All right, you can create a demo account. Now, once you are logged in, you're going to see a main window with multiple sections. Okay, you're going to see a main window with multiple sections. You're going to see your chatting window. You're going to see your market watch. You're going to see your navigator. You're also going to see your terminal. Okay, let me just view the terminal again. All right, so you're going to see your market watch, you're going to see your navigator, and you're going to see your terminal, okay, at the bottom. Now, this layout may look overwhelming at first, but we'll walk through each section and show you exactly how to use them. All right, now that we are logged in, let's take a moment to customize your workspace. Okay, you would want to tailor the layout to your preferences. So go ahead and resize the windows if you want to. You can arrange them how you like and choose your color schemes for the chart. You can just go to properties. When you go to properties, you can see all these settings. Just basically modify the settings as you wish according to your taste. You can change the colorings and all of that, okay, according to your taste. You can even add your own favorite indicators from the navigator panel. If there are other indicators, or you can even download custom indicators too, right? You can download custom indicators and add to your chart, add to your MT5 indicators window and indicators folder, and then add to your chart. So you can do a lot. All right, you can easily add or remove instruments by right clicking within within this panel. You can see different instruments that are available for trading. You can just easily access any of them right from here. Okay, you can decide to show all the available instruments. You can decide to hide all, right, show all. So basically you can just have you have quick access to the different instruments available here on the market watch. You can take a moment to add your preferred instruments to the market watch, so you have everything you need at your fingertips. Now let's just dive into the charting tools, because this is where the magic happens. Okay, your chart window is where you'll do most of your analysis. To open a new chart, simply right click on the market watch panel and select chart window. You can see that, right? So whatever currency pair that you want to open, just right click and click on chart window, and it's going to open immediately. Okay, now you can choose the time frame for your chart, whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. You can see different time frames, right? You can select the time frame for your chart. You'll notice the price movement displayed in candlesticks, but you can also switch the style to, you can change it to bar, the bar chart, or you can even change it to line, okay, depending on your taste, right? Depending on what works best for you. On the top toolbar, you'll find a set of tools to help with technical analysis. You can easily add trend lines, support and resistance, those horizontal lines. And you can just double tap and right click, go to properties. When you go to properties, you can change perhaps the thickness or the color of the lines and all of that. You can edit even the line, your trend lines, and your horizontal support and resistance that you add to your chart. Okay, really easy. Okay, and then you can add a variety of indicators. Just go to insert, go to indicator, select whatever indicator you want to add. You can add different indicators on your chart. Okay, now these tools are essential for identifying trends and potential trade setups. Now let's just move on to placing orders. In MT5, you can place two main types of orders, which are market orders and pending orders. A market order is the most straightforward. To place one, simply right click in your chart, select new order, you go to trading first and then select new order. Once you select new order, you can see instant execution or pending order. If you select instant execution, you can just set the lot size, set your stop loss, set your take profit, and just click on sell or click on buy, and it's going to be executed immediately. All right, it's going to be executed immediately. If you want a pending order, you can click on new order and go to pending order, and when you do that, you can see you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit, different pending orders depending on the kind of trade you want to execute. For buy limit, it's usually used when you are expecting price to come down and go back up. So buy limit is usually set below the current price. So if you set it below the current price, it means you are expecting price to come down and get the buy limit triggered and continue back up. Sell limit is usually the opposite, set above current price. It's when you are expecting price to go up and trigger the sell limit and then come down back. Sell stop is usually when you are expecting price to go down, go beyond a particular price and keep on going down. So usually sell stops are used for breakouts. If you are expecting a breakout from a consolidation, for example, you can set a sell stop below the breakout point, so that when the sell stop gets triggered, you are expecting the price to keep on going down. Buy stop is just the opposite, set above. When the buy stop is triggered, you're expecting the price to keep on going up. Then buy stop limit and sell stop limits are another kind of pending order that is used usually by traders that have understanding more about how it works. Because buy stop order is when you are expecting price to get to a particular point, the first level is triggered, and it comes down back and triggers the second level and then continues back up. So it's more like a zigzag move, right? It's like a zigzag move. The buy stop is triggered, then the buy limit is triggered, and then you expect price to go back up. Then sell stop is just the opposite. The sell stop is triggered, the sell limit is triggered, and continue going back down. So these are the different pending orders that are available on the MT5. Okay, then if you have any trade executed, Basically, this is a demo account, so I'm just going to execute a random trade just for the sake of this video. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be executing a random trade. All right. So here we go. Now in your terminal here, you can be able to monitor your trades. Whatever trades that you have open, you can be able to monitor them. You can set your stop loss from here. You can double tap and set your stop loss, set your take profit, or you can just drag. You know, if it's a buy trade, you can drag and set your stop loss at your required point. You can drag up, set your take profit. If it's a sell trade, it's just the opposite. You drag down, set your take profit. You drag up, set your stop loss. But if you want to exit the trade at any point in time, you can just click on this X button and the trade is going to get closed. Okay. Now that you've understood how to place orders and manage your trades, let's just talk about risk management real quick. MT5 makes it easy to adjust stop loss. So always make sure you use stop losses and take profit levels. They are very important. Okay. Remember that managing risk is crucial to long-term success. All right. Also, do not forget to check your spread and slippage before placing your order. Okay, just ensure that if you're a newbie, I'm going to recommend starting with the major currency pairs that have smaller spreads. Okay, the spread is usually the spread is the difference between the ask price and the bid price. Okay, let me just show you real quick. So you can see these two lines. The one above is the ask price, the one below is the bid price. The difference between this price and this price is what we call spread. Okay, so there are some currency pairs that use that have a wider spread, while there are others that have smaller spread. You can see now, for example, you can see that the difference between the ask price and bid price here is not the same with here, right? So if you are a newbie, you might want to start with currency pairs or assets that have smaller spreads in order to reduce, you know, spread eating into your profits. So actually, it's important to check all those things, you know, your spread and your slippage. Okay. So basically, that is it for this video. We've been able to look at the major things on how to, you know, the major aspects of the MT5 platform, how to navigate the MT5 platform. All right. So if you found value in this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do not also forget to click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading content. If you have any questions at all concerning the MT5, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Okay. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.